In today's video, we are going to learn how to draw a rectangle, simple rectangle in a SketchUp. Once again, welcome back to your own channel, Guide to Kare. Let's start with the rectangle. For rectangle, we have to select this toolbar, or we can use a R key from the keyboard. Simply, I am clicking R key. It's activating this command. After clicking on this command or after pressing the R key, we can simply draw the rectangle on the screen. For rectangle, we have to click from one point and then release the mouse and select the second point. This is the basic rectangle drawn on the ground level. Another way of drawing this rectangle is that same rectangle you have to draw with the measurements. For the rectangle to draw with the measurement, you have to click this. You have to use the same command, rectangle, same icon, and click on the first point on the screen. And before clicking the second point, you can see this is the size. You can see in the right corner, right bottom corner, it shows the size of the rectangle. But you have to note to select anywhere on the screen or on this right bottom corner where dimension is written. You have to take your rectangle, the mouse in which direction your rectangle you want. Like I am taking this side and I will draw my rectangle. I will give the size of my rectangle, like I want 6 feet, so I will type 6 without clicking the mouse. 6 feet, comma 8 feet, and enter. This is my rectangle, 6 feet by 8 feet. This is a simple way to draw a rectangle with measurement, or like if I want to draw a rectangle on this surface, these rectangles are on ground surface. I want to draw a rectangle like on this surface, elevation surface. Then I have to use the arrow navigation key from the keyboard. Like you can see the small blue rectangle on the ground floor. I will click it. It's drawing on the ground level. I will simply click the left key. You can see this is drawing on the elevation, or I will press the right key. This is drawing on the left side. Or you can, in SketchUp, it's advantage you can draw your rectangle like from this point. I want this point, or I will just without clicking, I drag my mouse upward direction. It is drawing the rectangle in elevation surface. Second rectangle, I can select this point and I will select this point. It will automatically detect where to draw the rectangle. So this is the simplest way how to draw a rectangle in SketchUp with a guideline or with reference point or with a measurement. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoy and learn, then like it and subscribe our channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.